Respected Honorable Rashtrapati Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, 15th President of Republic of India, Honorable Sri Joel Oramji, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and Minister of State Sri Durga Dasji, and respected tribal leaders from different states, and my dear colleagues. My name is Boston Marak, former ST Morcha President Meghalaya Pradesh, and former Chief Executive Member ADC Tura, that is Autonomous District Councils, GHADC, Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils, one of the oldest district councils which is created in 1952 after Karbi Anglong District Councils. Everybody knows former Lok Sabha Speaker P.A. Sangma ji. I am a nephew of P.A. Sangma, former Lok Sabha Speaker. My father is elder brother of P.A. Sangma. My father is still living. His age is now 105 years old. So I am very much happy today to be here to interact with our Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. I am very proud of her because she is representing us, our tribals. We have, out of 140 crores, we have only 12 crore. Our population, tribal population in India is only 12 crores approximately. But she is our pride, and I'm very much proud of her. This is my second meeting. First meeting with her is during presidency election in our state, Meghalaya. And this is my second meeting. And I still remember your beautiful speech during your presidential election in the state of Meghalaya. That time I was the ST Morcha state president, ma'am. Ma'am, during my speech in this introduction, I would like to stress 3 points only. Inclusion of our Garo language in the 6th schedule. Number 2 points, ma'am, 125 amendment which is introduced in the Rajya Sabha in 2019, which is related to provision of finance commissions and 6th schedule Constitution of India, ma'am. Number 3 point, I would like to address in front of you on behalf of people of my region, Garo Hills region. There is a long-pending demand, that is Garo land, which has already been discussed in the parliament also by our leaders, my uncle, late P.A. Sangma, former Lok Sabha Speaker. Ma'am, recently we received an award, The Rapture. It is a Garo film directed by Sri Dominic Megam Sangma in Garo language. We received a national award at the 71st National Film Awards. And before that also we received a national award in Garo film, Mama, that is uncle, which is also directed by Dominic Megam Sangma in Garo language. And ma'am, I think this, our language is very beautiful. This will, I think, will help us, I would like to request through you to the government of India to recognize our language and to include our beautiful language, which is very rich in the 8th schedule, ma'am. And in the state of Meghalaya, we have three ADCs And I belong to autonomous district councils in Garo sector. So I need, there is a tripartite agreement between Ministry of Home Affairs, State of Meghalaya, and NBCA and NBCB. So through you, I request to amend this 125 Amendment Act as early as possible, and I request to you too for the creation of Garo land under the provision of Constitution of India under Article 14 and another article under Article 3, ma'am. So I don't want to prolong my speech since there's a limited time.